At Farms.com Risk Management, we understand that commodity price risk management and sound financial advice are essential in today's volatile crop and swine sectors. Visit our website at www.riskmanagement.farms.com.
Welcome to the Farms.com weekly crop report for June 17th, 2011. This is Michelle Lamirande, Commodity Research Analyst for Farms.com Risk Management. Outside markets put heavy downward pressure on commodity markets this week as the Greece debt crisis moved to the forefront once again and mixed economic news emerged from the U.S. Protests in Athens, Greece on Thursday added to fears of political turmoil as mass rallies against austerity measures turned violent, sending Greek bonds plummeting. This in turn sent the U.S. dollar up $1.34 in one day, an advance that is rare and largely unsustainable. In the U.S., disappointing job growth was provided some hope as earnings at the corporate level were reported as having risen 3 times faster than the economy and are expected to grow at 10% until 2013. A combination of strong overseas sales, improving U.S. demand, interest rates that are expected to remain at 0% for an extended period of time, and moderating fuel prices bode well for earnings despite some soft economic numbers in the month of May. This in turn eventually provides the incentive to invest and hire and paves the way for accelerated growth rate of over 3% in both the third and fourth quarters of 2011. In other news, the USDA released a weekly crop progress report on Tuesday, June 13th. According to the report, as of June 12th, U.S. corn is now 99% planted versus 94% last week, 100% last year, and the 5-year average of 99%. U.S. corn conditions were reported as 69% good to excellent versus 67% last week and 77% last year. Corn emergence was reported at 91% versus 79% last week, 97% last year, and the 5-year average of 96%. U.S. soybeans were reported as 87% planted as of June 12th, above expectations of 80% complete. U.S. winter wheat conditions for the week ending June 12th were reported as 35% good to excellent, up 1% from last week. 23% of winter wheat was rated fair, up 1% from last week and compared to 25% in 2010. 42% of U.S. winter wheat was rated very poor to poor, down 2% from last week and compared to just 9% last year. And lastly, U.S. spring wheat is now 88% planted versus 79% last week, 100% last year, and the 5-year average of 100%. That's all for today. Have a great weekend.